China, under the rule of the Chinese Communist Party, represents a global challenge.
One which will define the next century.
It is a challenge which touches all of us.
This challenge will outlast governments and administrations, and it transcends party politics.
What we once believed about China's rights no longer corresponds to reality.
We thought China would open up over time. This hasn't happened.
In fact, today, China is authoritarian at home.
And ever more assertive abroad.
その結果、我々に自由と安全を与える民主主義的な社会規範は空前の圧力を受けております。
The rules-based order is suffering, and this cannot continue unchecked.
When countries have stood up for democratic values and human rights, they have done so alone, sometimes at great cost.
No country should have to shoulder this burden alone.
Maintaining the international order is all of our responsibility.
The world wants and needs China, a country of profound tradition, culture, and industry.
However, no nation should be able to freely jeopardize global values and human rights.
We, the Interparliamentary Alliance on China, stand together to coordinate the response to this great challenge.
There is strength in unity.
By standing together, we will be able to keep the rules-based and human rights systems true to their founding purposes.
Then, and only then, will we rise to the challenge of the next century.